Hi friends, this is Ramya from Smart Approach. Hope you all are fine and safe. Hope you liked my previous video on how to boost your immunity naturally. If you are watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So, today's our topic is all about drumstick leaves, also known as Moringa oleifera. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrongly. Now, you may be thinking why this topic today? You will surely find the answer for this question at the end of this video. I'll be sharing a great story which you all might know, but still I want to convey the exact content to you. The title of the story is Castro Loved Miracle Plant from India. I'll tell you this full story at the end of this video. Kindly watch the video till the end to know the great story. This tree is called as miracle tree. In South India, mainly in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, it is called as Muringa. Now, probably your first question will be, where can I find this tree? This tree is native to India, but also grown in Asia, Africa and South America. See, every one of us have some distant relatives, don't we? Yes. In the same way, Moringa plant is a distant relative of cabbage and broccoli. That means it has a similar or a bit higher nutritional profile. As I belong to South India, it's comfortable for me to pronounce it as Moringa. So forgive me for that. Now you may be thinking, what specialty does this tree have? I'll tell you clearly. See, this Moringa is rich in vitamins A, C, D, B1, B2, B3, B6 and folate. It is also rich in magnesium, iron, calcium, phosphorus, zinc and potassium. It is also rich in amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. All the 18 types of amino acids are found in these leaves. These are also called as powerhouse of nutrients. These leaves possess a slightly bitter flavor. Leaves are teardrop shaped with leaflets about 1 to 2 centimeters long and 0.5 to 1 centimeter wide. Now let us look into the medicinal uses. Okay. The leaves, fruit, sap, oil, root, bark, seeds, pod and flower of this tree have medicinal properties. Our main focus is on leaves, so I will be sharing the importance of consuming these leaves. First and foremost is that it boosts our immune system. As these leaves are loaded with strong immune boosting phytonutrients that strengthens the immune system and enables to fight off infections. So, having or consuming these leaves are very good to boost our immune system. Next comes for healthy eyes. As it is rich in vitamin A, it supports healthy eyes, clear vision and prevents eye problems too. It is good for strong bones too, as the leaves are rich in calcium, vitamin K and proteins which contributes to a healthy bone and prevents brittle bones. So, consuming these leaves also supports for a strong bone. It also protects the liver. As you all know, liver is the site of blood detoxification, fat metabolism and for nutrient absorption. It will function normally only if the liver enzymes are normal. These leaves are best to stabilize the liver enzymes. It contains high concentration of polyphenols that protects the liver against damage. It can also reduce the chances of liver fibrosis. It is also good for skin and hair. These leaves have many antioxidants in it, which will improve the appearance of skin and hair. It also fights off dandruff when it is applied as a paste to the scalp. It also strengthens hair follicles. It is best for acne-prone skin. They improve the skin tone and add a glow due to their purifying nature and therapeutic properties. It also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. Improves lactation. Since they are rich source of proteins, vitamins and essential nutrients, consuming these leaves is very good for the health of the mother and the baby. It is also an antiseptic. It fights off bacterial infections and it is beneficial towards wound healing. It is good for stomach. It is also beneficial against digestive disorders, relieves constipation, relieves bloating, gastritis, ulcers, and also improves digestion. It also lowers cholesterol. Cholesterol is the major reason for heart diseases. Eating more of moringa leaves has shown to lower the cholesterol levels. It is also good for diabetes. As you know, diabetic in turn cause heart problems and organ damage in the body. These leaves are a perfect resource for diabetes due to the presence of isothiocyanates in it. Consuming these leaves are good for healthy pregnancy. It helps to overcome the symptoms of pregnancy such as dizziness and vomitings. It eases the complications during pregnancy. Some says that these leaves should not be consumed during pregnancy. I really don't know about it, but I have taken it a lot during my pregnancy and I did not have any problem at all. Kindly talk to your medical practitioner before consuming it if you already have any issues. This tree has some traditional belief. Let's look into that. It is said that this tree should be planted only at your backyards. It is said because there is a saying that if it grows beyond the height of your house, it is not that good. It is also said that these leaves should not be consumed in the month of June to mid-August, that is, in the month of Ashadam in Telugu, Karkadagam in Malayalam, and Adi in Tamil. Here are a few tips to remember. Weekly twice or thrice consumption of these leaves is good for health. Intake of drumstick and drumstick leaves improves the hormone levels. To my knowledge, these leaves does not have any side effects, but if you are already in some medication, kindly talk to your medical practitioner before consuming it. Coming to the story, that is, Castro loved miracle plant from India. It was the Che Guevara, the iconic figure of the Cuban Revolution, who brought drumstick to Cuba from Brazil in the 1960s. But its cultivation remained limited. There was a large-scale destruction and caused suffering to the common people when an earthquake hit Haiti in 2010 in Cuba. Among several problems, they had to battle with hunger and cholera. Then, Castro approached Hugo, who was the founder of the Finlay Institute in Cuba. Castro was then told that the answer to Haiti's problem of pervasive hunger was moringa. After reading upon a moringa, Castro told Hugo this is food for the hunger. Hugo, on being requested by Castro, then travelled to Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Kerala to study the cultivation of moringa and get seeds to Cuba. Laying down the beneficial properties of moringa, Castro once wrote on Cuba Debate, originally from India, it is the only plant that has every kind of amino acids in it. It has dozens of medicinal properties too. In May 2015, when Castro had just recovered from a long illness, his first public meeting was a discussion on drumstick or moringa tree. He called the plant the miracle plant from India. In the last 4 years, a number of moringa trees have come up on Castro's residential compound on the outskirts of Havana. With proper planting and management, its green leaf production can exceed 300 tons per hectare in a year. 30 grams per day is the amount to be consumed. He wanted Cuba to invest heavily in moringa. Now, the Cuban Biotechnology Institute, famous for its research and medical innovation, is said to have been focusing on the anti-cancer benefits of moringa for the last 5 years. I'll share the link of the story in the description box. Now, don't you think this is a miracle tree? Yes, so try to have these leaves twice or thrice a week. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye.